Alright. Some more of Shaggin' Waggin' Crew. Shaggin' Waggin' Crew. I gotta fucking get some good shit right here, dude.
This bike's not doing so hot. I can feel it.
Really? You're probably just getting used to it.
What the fuck are you talking about? I was getting used to it when I sent jumps and shit on it. It's not feeling right, dude.
I don't know.
You want to take it for a test run? See what the fuck is up?
Yeah, in a minute. Fucking record this shit, dude. It's already recording.
After I record this, I'm gonna go grab a bottle of water. We'll come back out.
Oh yeah, I'll go out there with you and chill, cause I'm getting hot as fuck.
I'm not gonna chill, dude. I'm just gonna fucking grab a bottle of water.
The fucking epic sun, dude. I like how badass it is.
Oh, motherfucker! God damn it. Today's just a shitty day, kind of. Got like fucking 30 blisters on my hands. God damn it, my dick's getting shaved.
Really?
Ah, fuck yeah, dude. Went off a jump and I fucking squished a nut.
Oh, dude. Fuck this shit. I'm gonna fucking spit so much dirt. Is my back up?
Oh, fuck, dude. Hold up. I don't even know. Look at this bike, dude. It's like I'm not in gear.
Oh, here you go, dude.
Yeah, it is. Look at this crazy motherfucker! God damn it. This is how our crew do. Watch them spit a shitload of fucking dust in my face. Fucking asshole. Oh, look at all that dust. Oh my oh fuck, dude. Oh yeah. Oh shit, look at all that dust. God, if that was smoke, it'd be the biggest fire in the world.
Huh? Did you get that?
Oh hell yeah, get up here.
Oh, I can't dirt like. Look at my bike, dude.
Look, I'm trying to show off. Damn it. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Woo! Dude. Holy shit! Get over here. I'm about to lose my bike and my foot's holding me. This bike's running so shitty, bro.
Holy shit, dude, I was so close to